Hello, and we are testing out some keycaps today. I bought it second hand, so there isn't like a proper packaging for it. But these are YMDK, PBT, I think they are DSA, so like shallow indent keycaps for Cherry MX style keycaps from Taobao. So if you are wondering what these keycaps look like, you're gonna see like some B-roll shots of it at the end, but right now our main priority is just going to be putting all these keycaps onto a GATERON blue keyboard, the RGB and Pro, and after that, I'll be playing you a sound test. I'll be giving you some B-roll of how the final product looks like, but right now our main priority is just to switch out these keycaps. Okay, so where did I get these keycaps? I actually bought them secondhand instead of like buying them from the direct reseller. But if you're curious as to where you can get these keycaps, the link down below. You can get it on Taobao, which is a online shopping place. It's not like an online Amazon with a lot of great deals. So without further ado, I'm gonna put on some earphones, listen to some music, and then start switching out these keycaps. Time lapse, something. Okay, so now I've put on these keycaps. Like, what do I feel about them? What are my opinions? What are my thoughts on this YMDK PBT Keycap set? So in terms of design, I absolutely love it. The font is nice, it's clean, it's crisp, it's simple. I appreciate that. Build quality is really decent. It's PBT for sure. It's not double shot, but laser etching isn't that bad either. It does feel pretty good. Although the keycaps are a bit thin, they definitely have a good amount of quality to them. Especially for the crazy cheap price you can get them on, linked in the description. No sponsorship anyway, or anything by the way. It's all linked down below though. You can check them out. They're really cheap, and for that price I think it's a great deal for what it provides. I love the design, the pastel pinks and pastel greens, and the pastel kind of like an olive gray and a beige kind of gray color scheme. This is the kind of color scheme I really do enjoy and really do like. It's very clean, very simple, and it would be much nicer to look at, I think, if the case was white on this mechanical keyboard, but that's fine. That is an upgrade that I shall do further down the line when I have had some time. I'm going to spray paint this keyboard white to basically make it look more fitting for this keycap set, but for now I'm very happy with the quality of this keycap set, especially for the price that you can get it at, and I think it's actually honestly quite a good deal for anyone looking for a mechanical keyboard. Now that we've done it, I'm going to play a sound test, and we're going to listen to how GATERON blues sound with these keycaps, because we can.